my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and today we are in Ocheriers again, and we did a quick stop in Richmond. So we're going to the local corner store or whatever it is, little mini mart. Yeah, it's like a little mini mart, so we're gonna check it out. So now we're going to this mini store and we're gonna check out the prices because I really want to see what's good with the prices, and I kind of know that things are not really cheap here, so yeah, but let me show you what's going on. Okay, they have a lot of nice trees here. Nature paradise, and down there you can see palms. Yeah, Richmond estate and other sections of this estate. Yeah, down there people are going in, and here is, I guess, a little chill spot. It's nice because it's in the shade. So actually it's time to go because yeah, we're gonna short up the time, so I'm trying to do everything quick. I'm gonna show you guys everything. Alright, thanks. Yeah, mask is a must.
Sound good, Danny?
Coronavirus.
Oh.
So that is the mini store.
Oh, no.
Looks like a little supermarket.
They don't go.
Yeah. Oh, they even have the alcohol section. And yeah, guys, the Easter is on the way. Have you already stocked for your Easter bun and cheese? Yeah. Have it for Easter. Kinda Easter in Jamaica without those things, bun and cheese. So now I'm gonna start checking on prices. So the piece of watermelon, the local piece of watermelon costs 500 Jamaican dollars. Do you guys see it? Yeah, but it's a good piece, and watermelon basically not cheap. Oh my god, that's what I'm gonna get. This is my obsession, and it's not really expensive. It's more even cheap than watermelon. Yes, cantaloupe, guys, cantaloupe. Yes. So I guess you don't really have to shop here. I mean, you always have like local markets, supermarkets, big supermarkets, but like if you run out of things, some stuff, you can just make a quick stop and grab anything you are short of. That's, I guess, why those places exist here, and it's very convenient here. So you have all those stuff, shampoos and, you know, toothpastes, anything. Oh my god, look at those pumpkins. Look, they're so huge. Look at them though. Oh, they sell big watermelons. So much for the big one. 1,800 for the big one. No, in Russia we never buy in pieces. We only buy big, you know, watermelons itself. So in Russia we buy watermelons and we yam it all day until your belly full and you can look at it. Yeah, but I bet some people even shop here daily because everything here, me and my cantaloupe. In Russian, we call it dinya. It's a dinya. Yeah. Oh my gosh, they have pastries here. Like, come on. They have a lot of things. Yes, they even have croissants though. How about that? Almond butter cake. Buttered almond cake for a piece, 700, I guess. Nice. Hi. Hey. So how much for the croissant? Yeah. Yeah, because croissants, guys, I love croissants. 159, yeah guys, for the one croissant, but hey, if you can see it, yeah. Alright, thanks. Alright, take care, bye. Oh, they have the long bread. That's what I was looking for. 240. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, so they have some little things here, salads and stuff. It's actually nice. Because the other day when the coronavirus started, they actually pack up everything and you couldn't see nothing. Everything was empty. But they have Christmas cake still though. The cheeses. I wonder if you can just ask them to cut you and wait for you a piece of cheese, and you just pay for a little piece of cheese instead of buying all the bunch. Okay. So I wonder, Errol is spying at me. Errol, look what I found. I found long bread. That's what I wanted. Always wanted to eat. Leo, привет. Leo, you found something for yourself? Skittles. Okay. So, alright, let's move on. I'm gonna show you what's good here. Yeah, it's like shop itself. You can buy almost anything. Cheeses, juices, anything. Ooh, they have a lot of cheese, different style. I guess cheese is popular in that area. They have a lot of cream cheese. Okay. Oh, they have, this is what? They have seasoning here, Jamaican made seasoning. And I never ever saw it, only in those magazines, in the magazines when they promote Jamaican stuff. I saw them stuff, but here they have it. Mango basil. I guess it's for the salad, like a sauce. Okay. Yeah, the supermarket now shut down nothing. Look on the ice cream section. Look, those Häagen-Dazs expensive ice cream and things. Yeah. It's not a regular corner store like I was thinking. You know, guys, it's a store itself. They have meat here, everything. Oh my gosh. I guess when you are here, you're well set up. You're well set up. You just need to have your little dough in your pocket and you're good to go. Oh, they store macaroni in the fridge. I guess they have the same problem with the insects, because I started to store my macaroni in the fridge also, because those insects, I'm telling you guys, when they are in your pack of macaroni, they're gonna eat all your packs. If you see one, trust me, tomorrow you're gonna see an army. They don't care, they just yum your things, and you can't stop them. You just need to hide your stuff from them. They're unstoppable. Okay. What else? Juices. What is that? It's frozen apple pie. Frozen pineapples. La 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 la. Broccoli. Da 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 da. You know, guys, I noticed that here they have a lot of foreign stuff. Yeah, so I hardly see like local stuff, but it's there, but a lot of foreign stuff. I guess that's what popular here. That's what they sell. What people buy. Okay. What's up, Danny? What's up, Leo?
No, it's bad. It's bad. Mouse
Yeah.
Maria.
So,
Mouse Maria.
do you guys celebrate Easter, Eastern style? I mean, you know, full your kid baskets with the chocolate and stuff, or you just eat your bun and cheese and Jamaican, you know, celebrate it Jamaican style? Cause I do it Jamaican style. I am not fancy at all. I'm a little bun and cheese and eat it and say, yeah man, happy Easter. That's it. Errol looks worried. Errol, you want some slippers from Brazil? Brazilian 100% slippers. You want some? You take some. Alright. And they have a good variety of them vines. So next time when I go to Russia, I'm gonna bring to my mom as a souvenir these Jamaican treats, but I'm not sure. She has a diabetes, so I have no idea what to bring her as a souvenir from Jamaica. So have you any suggestions? Have you any idea what I can bring from Jamaica to a person who struggles with the diabetes? Because so far almost all the stuff contains sugar and she just can't eat it. So sad. So I guess I only can bring her a pack of Blue Mountain coffee and some I don't know, some seeds or whatever. But in Russia we have them. That's not like a Jamaican treat. So guys, please share your ideas on what can be a souvenir. Drop in the comment section your suggestions. Yes, Daniel knows what I love the most. Yes.
So sweet.
So guys, our plan is we want to go to the beach and then we want to go because Richmond has its own beach, so we want to check it out. And also we want to go to one park. Yeah, I want to check it out. I will also record it, so stay tuned. This is not the end. So they have also here Devon House ice cream, so you can buy Devon House ice cream here. I want to check it out.
You don't eat ice cream.
Yeah, that's too much sweets.
Okay. Hi. Yes, it's the good Devon here too. So my last video I asked you guys what to try and some flavors some people recommended to me. I don't even know if they exist, like guava flavors. I think source of flavor exists, so let me ask the lady because I've never heard of it. So they have milkshakes too here. Yeah, everything. So do you have a source of flavor? No, not like that. Oh, okay. So I guess the person ate another ice cream at the Domino's because we never heard of it. So you see guys, my company, my forever company. Here, so I am not sure, but today I'm eating this ice cream. Okay, so this one looks good. Looks like cherry, whatever it is. Has nice color.
This place is small, as in bigger buildings, you know, by them. The store is not very strong. Just rent it out here, right?
No, it's there.
Is it? The country store is not strong.
So guys, these are the prices.
Yeah.
Single scoop for $4.50. Alright guys, by the way, there is no more crunchy munchies, so I am taking Roman raisins because I want to give it a try. Okay, so can I take it in the cup?
Yeah, which one of them?
Oh, those cups, like this? Like that cup? Can?
Yeah, you can have that size.
So how much it will cost? $4.50 same?
No, that's nice. You can mix the flavors, is that one?
Oh, $9.50. Oh, so for $4.50 is just a basic cone comes with it. Alright, we can work with the basic cone.
They jump down.
Raisin. I wonder if I could give kids Roman raisin.
Ooh, skills.
Hmm?
Skills.
So guys, I think I'm gonna get a bicycle and just, wait now. Oh, I need a bicycle. I have my driver's license. So yeah guys, next 20 days, I'm official driver. Yeah, next 20 days, I'm going to the tax office to pick up my driver's license and yeah, get my own vehicle. Well, not for now. For now, I'm just gonna, borrow Ariel car and drive it when I need, when I will feel like. Yeah, we would never pass for the driver's license. We would never learn how to drive. Probably, we would need a bicycle. But now, it's a car. By the way, it is so good. I mean, the flavor is not so sweet and I like the raisins in it. So big up to my subscribers who ever recommended me to try this. It's a nice flavor, refreshing.
No man, how much you can them? 2 base, be 2 white bag them. Manners.
Yeah guys, we just stopped by sugar cane. Just on the road, like that. Guys, look. The sugar cane not normal. Big and long. It's not like little cut up slices, like you always get. See, the real Rastaman sugar cane. See, Rastaman takes care of it. See? Oh.